Okay, so this is our landing page. There are different sections. This is hero section, and there are different courses available here. And this is the pricing section. And similarly, we have different testimonials. And finally, we have CTA to redirect to the pricing. Okay, now let's quickly sign up. So the authentication is powered by Clock, and now we are going to sign up. After signing up, we can visit this page, and we can also enroll in the courses. So now let's go quickly into the dashboard. In the dashboard, we can see the different section. We can see available courses in our current plan, which is free. We can filter out courses of all tiers from here. We can also search our courses. Now let's click on this course. As we can see in this prototype, the course are divided into modules. They are like the sections, and in each module there are some lessons available. We can also mark as complete after finishing the lessons. Let's finish all the lesson of this module. By the way, videos can be also be added in lesson, which I will show later. And we can see our progress of the course too. Admin can create and choose the category of course too. In this case, is programming language. Now let's go to courses. Here we can see the courses we enroll in. In Operate tab, we can see the pricing page. We can see the billing of both monthly and yearly. Let's subscribe the Ultra plan. We will use the test card for this demo. And after switching to Ultra, we can see the floating chat icon on right, which is AI Tutor. Let's click here. This AI has all the context of its platform. Let's ask what course do you have? It provides all the courses with the working links. Let's ask one more. What lesson are covered in C++? Now it provides all the lesson with description and links. Now let's log out and let's go to my another account which I have given admin privilege from the clock dashboard. So let's do it. Now I can go to my admin studio by putting /studio in URL. Now we can upload our videos here and can be referenced to that video in lesson whenever needed. Clicking on structure, we can see our all courses, module, lesson, and category. Let's try by adding a course. Now here we can add a description. When we click module, we can add modules for our course. Now click on add item, then we can click on create to add one. Let's add description here also. Now it's time to add a lesson one, which is black body radiation. As we can see, we can also add a video. I am going to download this video from YT channel and use it here. While adding, we can choose whether video is public or signed URL to prevent from unauthorized access and ensuring only particular plan user can access it. The video player is powered by Mox. We can also add subtitle and other important feature needed in video streaming. Below, we have a rich text editor. It provides all essential features like heading, quotes, bold, italic, underline, etc. We can also add images and also can remove it easily. Let me quickly add the content of lesson and we have to provide slug for identifying lesson through URL. After finishing, we can simply click on publish to publish it. We can schedule it later or we can also store it in draft. Now I will complete the whole course and then we will see the result. Yes, we can see I has uploaded all the content of course. We can also add thumbnail also include in featured or showing in landing page, also provided category like physics and then we can publish it. Now when we click on course in lesson 1, we can see this video with all important features like transcoding, speed, mini player, rewind, fast forward, etc. and see the text below to read. That's it for today's video. Thank you.